Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Eiger Grey. Starting from the front of this vehicle, where you will find your pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading on the sides of this vehicle, you're going to find further perfect features which are all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 21-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. We'll also be able to access various storage hooks. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather rear power recline seats. And as we glimpse into the cockpit, we'll reveal your 20-way heated memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal as we advance over to your 11.4-inch PV Pro touchscreen before finalising our journey looking up at your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.